Hi everyone, my name is Hans Kam. I'd like to demonstrate today the basic usage of this new add-in Bible quotes for Microsoft Word. I will not speak about the installation because I assume you installed it already. If not, have a look at my other video how to install it. First, how to select the language. You click here on the version button. You can type in any language you wish, either in the English name of the language or in the native name of the language. For instance, for Dutch, you can type in DU and you get here Dutch, or you can type in Netherlands, Netherlands, yes. And if there's more than one Bible version, you can select one then. Let's go back to English. You have multiple Bible versions here. One of them is only available for the New Testament. That's marked in advance, so you know it. Then another thing you may have to adjust depending on your culture is how you separate chapter and verses. In English culture, it's usually a colon. And how you separate one verse from the other. In English culture, it's usually a comma. You can adjust that. If you want to insert a quote, you go here on the first tab, you choose your book, like Genesis, your chapter, your from verse, your to verse, and you click the insert button. And the verse is inserted where your cursor was before. In the formatting that you've chosen, I will not speak about the formatting here. That's another video. The other way how you can select Bible verses is by just typing in the reference in your text and select it, like this. Then you have another tab here where it tries to guess what you actually marked. And you see here certain things are wrong. I intentionally made some mistakes. And you can now go with your mouse cursor over it and it will explain you what's wrong here. So starting verse number 136 does not exist actually. That should be 36. And Roim, that might be okay in another language, but not in English. So it's Romans. Now everything is fine. Now you just click insert. And all those verses, in that case 3 of them, have been inserted one after the other in the desired format. Now maybe you want to insert those verses that you've selected up here. You want to insert them not immediately after the reference, but somewhere else. In that case, you can press the freeze button here. This allows you to freely move your cursor to wherever you want and then insert your verses somewhere else, like down here. So by pressing the freeze button, you have then the freedom to move your cursor and it will not change the selection. Now this was the introduction to the basic usage of this new add-in. I plan to do more videos on how to style the output. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel so you won't miss them. Thank you for watching and have a nice week.